Welcome to Reviews Heaven, your go-to channel for honest and detailed product reviews. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best garlic presses that will make your kitchen prep easier, faster, and mess-free. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, these garlic presses offer durability, efficiency, and easy cleanup. We'll explore their unique features, designs, and why they're must-haves for every kitchen. Plus, we've got you covered with links to all these amazing garlic presses in the description box below. Make sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. So, let's dive in and find the perfect garlic press for your cooking needs. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Kitessensu High-Effective Garlic Press with Studs. Looking for a garlic press that makes your kitchen prep easier and faster? Meet the Kitessensu High-Effective Garlic Press in Imperial Silver. This heavy-duty tool is designed to maximize efficiency while keeping effort minimal. With 37 precision spikes aligned to fine holes, it effortlessly crushes both peeled and unpeeled garlic cloves, leaving the peels behind and delivering a smooth, ready-to-use paste. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to use, even for those with limited hand strength. Say goodbye to bulky, hard-to-squeeze tools. This garlic press is perfect for both home cooks and professional kitchens. Built to last, it's made from durable zinc, which resists rust and odor from garlic's natural acids. Cleanup is a breeze. Just toss it in the dishwasher or rinse by hand. A cleaning brush is included for those stubborn bits. Versatile beyond garlic, this press handles ginger, herbs, chilies, and even soft nuts. With its sleek design and reliable performance, it's a must-have for any kitchen. Number 2. OXO Good Grips Heavy-Duty Garlic Press. Say goodbye to messy, sticky fingers with the OXO Good Grips Heavy-Duty Garlic Press. This sleek tool is made from durable die-cast zinc and designed to simplify your garlic prep. Its large chamber can handle multiple cloves at once, saving you time in the kitchen. The efficient hole pattern effortlessly crushes garlic, pushing it through while leaving skins behind. Comfort is key, and this garlic press delivers with its soft, non-slip handles. They absorb pressure, making it easy to squeeze without straining your hands. Perfect for all cooking enthusiasts, whether you're whipping up a quick dinner or preparing a feast. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the built-in cleaner that clears out leftover pulp and skins. Simply flip the handle to push out debris, then rinse it clean or toss it in the dishwasher. If you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly garlic press, the OXO Good Grips Garlic Press is a fantastic choice for any kitchen. Number 3. Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set. Simplify your garlic prep with the Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set. Crafted from food-grade, rust-resistant materials, this professional-grade tool is built to last for years. Its ergonomic design and built-in studs make crushing and mincing garlic or ginger a breeze, saving time and keeping your hands odor-free. One of its best features? You don't need to peel the cloves. The press extracts a smooth garlic paste while trapping the peels in the chamber, ensuring no sticky residue on your hands. The soft, easy grip handle reduces strain, making it perfect for home cooks and professionals alike. Cleanup is quick and easy. Just rinse it under water or pop it in the dishwasher. For tougher bits, the set includes a silicone peeler and brush to handle any stubborn residue. This versatile tool isn't just for garlic. Use it to crush ginger, seeds, nuts, or even onions for freshly ground flavors. Backed by Zulay's lifetime warranty, it's a reliable and multi-purpose addition to any kitchen. Number 4. ORBLUE Stainless Steel Garlic Press. Say hello to effortless garlic prep with the ORBLUE Garlic Press Stainless Steel Set. Designed with heavy-duty construction, this professional-grade tool lets you mince unpeeled garlic cloves or peeled ginger root in seconds. Just press the ergonomic handles, and you'll get smooth garlic paste while the peels stay behind. Crafted from rust-proof stainless steel, this press is built to last and delivers restaurant-quality results. It's available in multiple handle colors: silver, black, red, or even multicolored. so you can match it to your kitchen style. The unpainted basket ensures food safety for worry-free cooking. Versatile and efficient, it's ideal for enhancing the flavors in your veggies, meats, sauces, or salad dressings. Your guests might even think a professional chef prepared the meal. Cleaning is hassle-free. Simply rinse it under water or toss it in the dishwasher. With its durable design and ease of use, the ORBLUE garlic press is a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. Number 5. Vantic Garlic Press Rocker. Meet the Vantic Garlic Press Rocker, a modern twist on traditional garlic prep. This innovative tool features a unique arc-shaped design and a comfortable handle, making it perfect for everyone, even those with small hands or a weaker grip. With a simple rocking motion, you can easily crush or mince garlic in half the time. Made from 100% premium stainless steel, this garlic press is built to last. It's rust-proof, durable, and won't break under pressure. Plus, the set includes a high-quality silicone peeler, scraper, and cleaning brush, giving you everything you need for seamless garlic prep. Cleanup is a breeze. The garlic collects on the surface of the rocker, so you won't have to deal with extra mess. Just rinse it off or toss it in the dishwasher. Its compact design also makes storage super convenient. With excellent customer service and durable performance, the Vantic Garlic Press Rocker is a smart, efficient addition to any kitchen. That wraps up our review of the top 5 best garlic presses. We hope this helped you find the perfect tool for your kitchen. Don't forget to check out the buying links in the description box for more details. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video on Reviews Heaven.